Good morning, good morning. Today is Monday, rainy day, 13th of October, and time is just about 11 o'clock. Time to go to work, Monday. Before I head out to work, I have to go to the post office to drop a package. I sold something on eBay. Actually, I sold 3 items. It's been raining all weekend. It rained all day yesterday. I did go out for a while on Sunday. It's about 59 degrees Fahrenheit. What does my watch say? Wow, same, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Usually there's a difference. I think it's Columbus Day today. Could be, I'm not sure, but I think it is. Oh, then the post office might be closed as well. Well, I am here, so let me go just check it out. Gotta pay attention, man. Yes, it is closed. Post office is closed. I don't see no car in front of the post office. No, it is closed. There's no reason to go in, check it out. No lights inside. All right. Let's go to work. Uh-oh. I don't know if you can see, but some tree branches fell down. Today and next 2 days, I will be busy in the office. October 15th is the deadline to file personal taxes and C corporation taxes for those who did not file on April 15th and took an extensions. So this is the deadline. We are pretty much done. I just have 2 or 3 tax returns. That's about it. I used to get gas from this gas station on the left, Shell, but for some reason, almost 6-7 months it's closed. And the other gas station that I go to now, the gentleman there told me that I guess this owner is having some issues with the landlord regarding the rent or something. I preferred this gas station because I do use Shell credit card, and that will give me 10 cents off per gallon. So that was good. All right, so since it's such a nice weather, at least for me, you know, so I think it will be a good idea to drive through Eisenhower Park. Eisenhower Park, such a beautiful park. Very soon, there will be no leaves. Now let me get on the highway, obviously Meadowbrook Parkway. I'm going to turn left here to get on Meadowbrook Parkway North. Do you like rain? Do you enjoy driving in the rain? I do. All right, I know. Yeah, this is Northern State Parkway. And you also know I love this spot here. See the bridge? Very nice. It is not crazy windy, but I can feel it. Traffic is moving smoothly, not too slow, not too fast. Yeah. Beautiful. I was home Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Saturday I went out with my son for a brunch. That was nice. That was very nice. We ate so much. I did not eat anything for the dinner. I don't think I ate too much. I guess I did somehow because I did not feel like eating at night. All right, my friends. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay active, enjoy life. Bye.